Have you ever wondered why some people seem to speak English so effortlessly while others struggle for years? What if I told you the secret isn't about studying harder, but about practicing smarter, with just 7 simple daily habits that can skyrocket your English fluency faster than you ever imagined? Welcome to Kunzy In English, your go-to channel for practical, inspiring English learning tips that actually work. Today, I'm going to reveal those powerful habits that will transform your English speaking skills step by step. So stay tuned, because your journey to fluency starts right now. Part 1. Why every small step holds the power to change your English learning journey. Did you know that just one small step each day can turn your dream of speaking English into reality? Every word you learn, every sentence you say, every idea you absorb is like a brick building your fluency, bit by bit, day by day. Never underestimate these tiny improvements, because they are the true keys that open the door to lasting success. Imagine knowing how to swim, but being afraid to jump into the water. That's fluency without confidence. You might memorize grammar rules and thousands of words, but if you don't dare to speak and practice, all that knowledge stays locked inside your mind and never becomes your language. Confidence is the real power that helps you step into the world of English. And today, I'll share how you can start building it every day, one small step at a time, starting right now. Set small, daily goals. The first step that makes all the difference. Have you ever wondered how just one small step can completely change your English learning journey? The magic lies in the simple, manageable actions you take every single day. Instead of setting huge goals that might overwhelm you, start with small, clear, and achievable targets. For example, today, commit to speaking 3 complete sentences in English, not complicated ones, just enough to make you proud of yourself. Or simply write a short message, leave a comment online in English, or read a small passage out loud clearly. These small goals aren't just meaningless numbers. They are the spark that lights up the motivation inside you. Every time you complete one, your brain sends a positive signal, telling you, "I can do this." And that feeling is incredibly important. It excites you and pushes you to conquer even bigger challenges in the future. Learning English is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Every step you take counts. When you consistently achieve these small goals day after day, not only does your English improve, but your confidence grows steadily. That confidence is the key that opens the door to fluency, where you don't just know English, but you dare to use it naturally and comfortably in your daily life. So, don't underestimate the power of small steps, because they create miracles. Start today. Give yourself a small, doable goal and enjoy the feeling of victory when you achieve it. You'll see that each passing day brings you closer to the fluent, confident version of yourself. Writing messages or comments in English. Connecting language with real life. Did you know that learning English doesn't always have to be limited to traditional study hours or dry textbooks? One of the best ways to improve your English skills is by immersing yourself in real life. Writing messages or leaving comments in English. This is not just a simple writing exercise. It's a form of real communication that helps you naturally practice your language reflexes. When you start sending messages or posting comments in English, you are practicing how to think and express yourself directly in this language. This helps you get used to using words and sentence structures in real-life situations, rather than just memorizing textbook patterns. More importantly, when you realize you can actually communicate in English with others, even if it's just through short messages or small comments, you'll feel that English is no longer something distant or hard to approach. English becomes a part of your daily life, a tool to connect with the outside world, a companion on your journey to broaden your knowledge and experiences. So, challenge yourself today. Send a short message or leave a comment in English. Even if it's just a few simple sentences, you are taking a solid step closer to confidence and fluency in communication. Every sentence you write is a firm step toward naturally and sustainably mastering English. Shadowing. The fastest secret to speaking like a native. Have you ever wished you could speak English just like a native? The secret lies in a powerful habit called shadowing. Shadowing is not just a practice. It's like training your mouth and brain to move in perfect harmony with the rhythm, tone, and flow of real English. Here's how it works. Pick a short video clip, podcast segment, or dialogue, something clear and engaging. Listen closely to a sentence, then immediately repeat it aloud, mimicking every sound, intonation, and pace, as if you were a shadow following the original speaker. At first, it might feel challenging, even awkward, but don't give up. Just 5 minutes a day can transform your speaking drastically. Why does shadowing work so well? Because it helps you internalize the natural melody of English, the ups and downs of stress and intonation that textbooks often overlook. It's like giving your mouth a workout, stretching and strengthening the muscles needed to produce authentic sounds. Meanwhile, your brain learns to process English speech more quickly and smoothly. Over time, shadowing builds your confidence and fluency simultaneously. You won't just know words and grammar, you'll feel English as a living language flowing through you naturally. Imagine how amazing it feels to sound more like a native speaker, to join conversations without hesitation, and to express yourself freely. So why wait? Start small. Choose your favorite short clip and become its shadow. Your voice is ready for this transformation. Just a few minutes each day, and you'll be amazed at how naturally you start to speak. Shadowing is not just a habit, it's your personal gateway to fluent, confident English. Using emotion in English, when language comes alive. English is far more than just grammar rules and vocabulary lists. It's a powerful tool for expressing your deepest feelings and thoughts. Imagine how different it would feel if every day you practiced describing your emotions in English. You might say, I feel excited about tomorrow's meeting, or I'm a bit tired but happy after a long day. These simple sentences carry so much more than words. They carry your personal story. When you connect your emotions with the language, English stops being a distant subject you study and becomes a living, breathing part of your daily life. This emotional connection makes learning more real, more personal, and infinitely more motivating. Suddenly, English is not just something you memorize, but something you feel. This habit opens the door to authentic communication. It helps you go beyond mechanical repetition and teaches you to speak with heart, to share your world with others through English. Over time, you'll notice your fluency improves naturally because you're not just reciting phrases. You're expressing yourself, your unique experiences, and your feelings. So, start today. Take a moment each day to say how you feel in English. Let your emotions breathe life into the words. This small but powerful habit can transform your language learning journey, making English a true part of who you are. Telling stories every evening, boost your storytelling and past tense skills. One of the most powerful ways to improve your spoken English is by telling a short story every evening. It could be a memory from your childhood, something that happened during your day, or even a story you make up on the spot. This simple yet effective habit pushes you to practice using the past tense naturally, enrich your vocabulary with descriptive words, and master expressive intonation. Storytelling is more than just talking. It's about bringing your language to life. When you share your experiences or create new ones, you are not just repeating phrases. You are making English your own, shaping it into a living, breathing part of your daily world. This practice helps you think in English and speak with emotion, making your fluency feel authentic and vibrant. The more stories you tell, the easier it becomes to organize your thoughts, recall vocabulary, and communicate smoothly. It's like training your brain and mouth to work together effortlessly. Soon, you'll notice that speaking English in real conversations feels less intimidating and much more natural. So tonight, take a moment before bed to tell your story, whatever comes to mind. This little ritual can transform your English journey, turning practice into passion and words into confidence. Singing in English. Learn joyfully, remember longer, speak better. Singing in English is a surprisingly fun and effective habit to boost your speaking skills. Choose slow, clear songs that you enjoy, listen to them repeatedly, read the lyrics carefully, and sing along. Music is a powerful tool that helps you remember sentence structures and new vocabulary much more easily than traditional study methods. But singing does more than just help you memorize words. It teaches you how English flows naturally. Through songs, you learn the rhythm of the language, how sounds connect, linking, which syllables to stress, and the melody of everyday conversation. This is something textbooks rarely teach, yet it's essential for speaking English smoothly and confidently. When you make singing a daily ritual, your voice becomes more natural, relaxed, and expressive. You'll notice your pronunciation improving and your confidence growing without even realizing it. Most importantly, singing turns learning English into a joyful experience, making you eager to practice every day. So pick your favorite English songs, let the music guide you, and watch how your English speaking blossoms effortlessly, one melody at a time. Weekly review. Reflect on progress and keep your motivation strong. At the end of each week, take a few quiet moments to reflect on what you've accomplished in your English learning journey. Ask yourself, what new words did I learn this week? How often did I practice speaking? What mistakes did I notice and correct? Which goals did I successfully achieve? This simple habit of reviewing not only helps you see your real progress, but also fuels your motivation to keep going. When you pause to look back, you reconnect with your purpose and remind yourself why you started. You recognize that every small effort counts and that improvement is happening, even if it feels slow sometimes. This clarity will boost your confidence and help you avoid discouragement. Moreover, reviewing your week allows you to plan smartly for the next one, focusing on what needs more practice and setting new, exciting challenges. Learning English is a marathon, not a sprint, and these moments of reflection are your checkpoints that keep you on track and determined. Remember, success is built not only by daily practice, but by thoughtful reflection. Let each week's review be your secret weapon to stay motivated, grow steadily, and turn your English dreams into reality. The 7 English learning habits we've explored are not just simple tips. They are the keys that unlock your success on the journey to mastering a new language. Every small habit, every step forward builds a strong foundation that boosts your confidence and improves your English skills day by day, making English an indispensable part of your life. By consistently practicing and maintaining these habits, you don't just learn English. You also develop discipline, patience, and self-learning skills, which are crucial keys to success in every area of life. Learning English is a long journey, and these good habits will be your faithful companions to overcome all challenges and keep you from giving up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to show your support, share it with your friends so they can learn too, and subscribe to Kunzy in English so you won't miss out on more inspiring lessons ahead. Together, we will conquer English and turn dreams into reality.